Welcome to this waterfall. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. This is one of the waterfalls in Iceland that you can go and view. It is about 1 hour and 44 minutes from Reykjavik, and it's along the south coast. This waterfall has been featured in Star Trek episodes, an episode of Amazing Race, and also one of Justin Bieber's music videos. This beauty is 200 feet tall, and you can actually walk right behind the waterfall where there is a little cave, which takes the most immaculate photography photos ever. This particular waterfall, actually, you had to pay for parking because they also had some amenities such as a little restaurant and washrooms, and they did have people checking, so make sure you do pay. Here's the washroom area. There is many washrooms for men and women, and then here is a little cafe where you can get desserts and water, drinks, sandwiches, coffee, and then of course there is a little gift shop.
Alright you guys, I'm all bundled up. Are you excited?
I'm totally excited.
It's very windy here. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. I want to cry. Oh. So we're actually like behind the waterfall. So there's a spot where you can walk. Amazing.